So now we come to the second movement of Bottesini's first concerto. I think this second movement is one of the most incredible second movements in all of the bass literature. For me personally, it's one of the best second movements ever written. We just need to be careful to really make sure we sing a lot. This is again all about singing. It's Italian opera music, and for that, for us to have the possibility, I think it's important to not choose a tempo that's too fast. I know we start very slow then, but if the 30-second notes that come later, if they are rushed, then it will feel just stressful and we don't want it. So we start really slow and again make music, like I always say, with vocal passages, mostly with vibrato and with phrasing. I would even start with the up bow, not with the down bow, to have more development on the first note. So the advantage to this bowing is, on the one hand, you do have this, you can make this development way easier in the up bow, but especially in the last note, the relaxation is way easier in the down bow. That's the main point. That's the same reason why I do an arpeggione. I start here with, also with the up bow. So develop in the vibrato and in the sound until you reach the goal here. And maybe you heard it's not that much louder. Start this loud, and I'm here just without vibrato. So maybe piano, mezzo piano. That's the difference. But in the vibrato, go from this to that makes all the difference here. It's all about the vibrato. So non-vibrato, slowly get faster. More intensity as well. Sometimes I see people even doing just a waste, a pity of the possibility for something beautiful. Then you relax in the sound and in the vibrato, take a little breath. Start the second phrase, which doesn't have this as a goal because it continues, unlike the first one. Until the D comes, and then for the D sharp you take some time, relax it, and then we come back here. We continue building up. Again, it doesn't just go to the G, it continues. Even more. Here I would play this as maximum. As a goal, I would set this. But then some people play, I would play, because of this interval, this seventh, that's like in the romantic period, that's love, that's pain, that's it, that's the most beautiful interval. And what has more character? Obviously